Hey traders, you are welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the green volt indicator for MT4. It's a tool that simplifies the way you trade by providing clear and easy to read buy and sell signals. Whether you are just starting or have been trading for years, this tool can help you quickly identify potential entry and exit points, making your trading much more efficient. Now, I am going to add the indicator to the chart, the green volt indicator. Okay. Here we go. I've added the indicator to the chart. So I'm just going to be breaking down how this indicator works, how you can use it effectively, and why it should be part of your trading strategy. Let us quickly dive right in. Now, the green volt indicator for MT4 is a straightforward yet highly effective tool for traders. It is designed to give clear buy and sell signals in the form of arrows that appear directly on your price chart. What makes this indicator unique is its simplicity. There are no complex overlays or calculations to worry about, making it perfect for traders who want a clean and intuitive chart setup. When you see a green arrow below a candlestick, that's a potential buy signal, indicating that the price is likely to rise. On the flip side, a red arrow above a candlestick signals a potential sell opportunity, suggesting that the price may soon drop. All right. So these arrows are designed to make your decision-making process faster and easier, especially when you are looking for clear signals to enter or exit a trade. Now let us take a look at how the green volt indicator actually works. The indicator generates its signals based on price action, allowing you to quickly spot changes in the market trends. For example, if the price is trending upward, like what we can see happening here right now, you can see that Euro USD is in an uptrend. So if the price is trending upwards and a green arrow appears below a candlestick, you can see that the appearance of this arrow was somewhere around here, right? After price tested this trend line. So this was a continuation pattern. All right, it's telling you that the momentum is likely to continue in that direction, in the upward direction. Similarly, if price is heading downwards, like in this case, when we had a sell trend, we had a bearish trend around here. If price is heading downwards and the red arrow appears above a candlestick, in this case, I think the red arrow appeared somewhere around here. This should be somewhere around here where the red arrow appeared, right? So in this case, it is telling you that the momentum is likely to continue downwards, suggesting that the downtrend may continue, and you can see it actually continued for a while until it got to this support zone. So these signals are especially helpful for trend following strategies or reversal detection. You can use the green arrow as an entry signal to buy when the price is expected to rise, or you can use the red arrow as a confirmation to sell when the price is expected to drop. The beauty of the green volt indicator is in its simplicity. The arrows are designed to be visually clear and easy to spot, making it incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to rely on complicated indicators or formulas to understand what the market is doing, okay? Now, one of the best things about the green volt indicator is that it is suitable for all types of traders, yeah? From beginners to experienced traders. So it doesn't matter whether you are a scalper or a day trader or a swing trader, this indicator works across multiple time frames, giving you flexibility in how you trade. It can also be applied to various asset classes, meaning you can use it in different markets whether you are trading Forex, stocks, commodities, or even cryptocurrencies. Now, the ability to adapt to different assets and time frames makes the green volt indicator a versatile tool in your trading toolkit. Okay? While the green volt indicator provides clear buy and sell signals, it is important to note that it is best used in combination with other technical analysis tools. For example, you can combine the green and red arrows with moving averages, right? Just to confirm direction. You can decide to add the moving averages to the chart. For example, the moving average is telling us that this is a bullish trend as price has crossed above it. And then along the line, you notice the appearance of the green arrow. That is a confirmation to the buy signal, right? Or maybe you can see the price is trading below the moving average, and then you notice the appearance of a red arrow. That shows that bearish momentum is strong. There is a confirmation to that a confirmation to that sell signal. Okay, so it's good to have confirmations. All right, confirmations. And then also pay attention to your support and resistance zones. Just plot your levels on your chart. When you have a sell signal appearing when price is being rejected from a resistance, it adds more confidence to that trade. It gives more validity to that signal. When a buy signal is appearing when price is being rejected from a support, it gives more validity to that buy signal. All right, so this combination will help you filter out false signals and ensure that you are making the most accurate trade decisions. All right, by waiting for a green arrow and confirming it with other indicators, or waiting for a red arrow and confirming it with other indicators such as trend following indicators or momentum indicators, you will have a more reliable entry point. Okay, now in conclusion, the green volt indicator for MT4 is a powerful, simple tool that provides clear buy and sell signals, making it a great addition to your trading strategy. It is a simple indicator to use. It's beginner friendly. All right, you can see that it even gives you precise buy and sell signals, although it is important that you combine price action analysis to it, because sometimes you might get a sell signal when price is already getting towards the bottom, or maybe get a buy signal when price is already getting towards the top. So you need to do some analysis to ensure that the signals are in line with the current market structure. Okay, it is very important. All right, it's actually very important. So the simplicity of this indicator makes it ideal for all types of traders, and its reliability ensures that you can trade with confidence. If you're looking for a way to simplify your trading process and get clear signals for your trades, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips, tricks, and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.